Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make your own decals. So I've done this many times now. As you guys can see, I made this one of this kid named Emily in my park or playground, whatever you guys like to call it. And this park is pretty small. It's just a one-story build. And this one I have me saying Ruby's Kitty Playground, and this one just says parking lot, because this is our little parking lot area. So first you're going to take your photo. So I'm just going to do this. You guys have like any, if you have any other backgrounds you want, you can choose that. So I'm going to go onto my photo, change the photo into something that I like. Let's say background, and find one cute. I think this one's good. Right there. So I put on my lights so that it looks a lot brighter. I'm going to stand in the middle, full screen. And to get rid of that thing that comes up right here that says change picture, I just throw it up at the top. And screenshot it. Now you're going to want to crop it right after. Just like this. I like to do mine like this. You guys can do it however you want. So I'm going to save it to my photos, log out of the game, and go into my editing software. So I'm using Collage for my photo editing software. You guys can use whatever you want. So I like to press freestyle because it comes up with any options you want instead of having to do the layout, the background, everything else. So now I want to click photos at the very bottom. Click onto my photo. You're going to make it as big as you want. Just make sure it doesn't touch the bottom that says Pick Collage. Just like that. Okay. So now you're going to add your text. I'm going to say, I'm going to try to make a new sign just like playhouse, because I'm going to put this on top of my little area that we have of a playhouse that you guys saw in the video earlier. And I'm going to change the color by double tapping it and going to the color pad. So this one means that I can change the background. This one means I can change the font color. That one's too dark. I want to make one like something easy to read but cute. How about this? It's a nice blue. Okay, so this is to stretch it a bit. I'm going to do like this. Oops, and then you're going to press back just in case it falls out. Now I'm going to save it to my library. Let's get rid of that ad. Okay, so now I like to go to my camera roll. You guys don't have to do this, and you have to do this part, but not the other part because it's just not too important. But I like to color the background a bit just to make it look cooler and a lot brighter sometimes. Like this one. This is Vivid, if you guys are wondering. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to Safari and type in Roblox.com. I'm going to press continue in browser just because we're doing this and it's going to be easier. So you're going to press create or after you clicked request desktop site at the very bottom of the uplink. Then it'll bring you to this. You're going to have to click the uplink again and press request desktop site once again. Okay, so now you're going to press manage my games right under start creating. Press decals, which is at the fourth bottom. Hold on, my screen popped up to this again. Let me just request the desktop version again. Sorry for the chatting stuff that keeps coming in from Snapchat. My friend is trying to spam me so that I can play with them, but I'm too lazy right now. Okay, so I'm going to press decals again. You're going to file your image, which was this one. Take all these random numbers out, and I'll be right back when I finish. Then you're going to want to take out all these random letters at the file, which I already did. So now I'm going to make a name. Let's just do playhouse sign. Okay, now I'm going to upload it. There, it will say at the bottom, Playhouse sign. You're going to click on that. Link. And then you're going to go up to the top. Click it twice so that the blue stuff goes away. And just slowly get it out, but keep the numbers in. Try to be very careful because if you mess up one number, it's going to break. Okay, so now you're going to press select all and then copy. Once you've done that, you will have to go to Roblox. Once you are in there, join Bloxburg. And you wait for it to load because it's going to take a little bit of time up because it has to load in the server and your plot. Okay, so I'm just going to randomize it. The heck? Alright, so I'm going to go into build mode. Wait, no, why am I doing that? Okay, I was going to place a photo, but then I remembered that I have like a whole wall over here. I place a light under all of them, but I'm too lazy. Okay, so now you're going to go to your photo. You're going to press enter image ID, click it, paste your number, and press add. If it doesn't work the first time, then it's still loading. And you guys can see that it's kind of dark on my screen because I don't have a light under it, and over here there's a light. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to put this over to here, but anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, just like, subscribe, and share to others, and comment down below what you guys want me to do next for the tutorial. And if you want to join me into games and stuff, then you guys can follow me on my account, Joker Gaming Roblox, what I will put on the screen right now. Bye, guys. See you guys next time.